So in this video we're going to be doing the brakes, the hubs, the tires, and then the front tires and back tires, as well as the seat. Overall it cost about $380 and wasn't too bad in parts. First we're installing the tires, and then we'll move on to the back tires. I'm making sure here to put in the pins for both tires, as the hub will shake loose eventually, or the hub nut, sorry. Here I got these hubs on Amazon just for $50. It was a bit pricey, but it was the only ones that fit my tires. Making sure once again to use locking bolts, that way it doesn't shake itself loose. Here I had to gently rig a system to make sure that the brakes worked. This was only the only main brake cylinder I could find that would work with my Kart and its design. And then I jimmy rigged some springs to make sure that it always pulls back. As for the brake line systems, I sucked the fluid through the tube and then hooked it up to the caliper and pumped until it was all the way through the caliper. And then once I did that, it built pressure pretty quickly with the small amount that it moves. Here I'm putting on fire extinguisher in case the worst happens. I just figured it'd be best for safety. I had to figure out the specifications and weld on my own plate to mount this caliper, as I'm using an old chassis from the 80s. It ended up working out pretty good. I got some scraping at first, but eventually it grinded it the fuck down to make it work. in the end, I just mounted a wooden seat because I didn't want to spend as much money for the seat mounts, and it worked best in my situation because that way I could put a chain guard to block me from getting ripped apart by a 5,000 RPM chain coming at my neck. And I'll end this video by putting in a clip of me starting it for the first time. If you like this stuff, subscribe, and please like the video and tell your friends.